This is part 9 of what's inside the Roadmap 3.0 course. But first, you have to save this video so you can go back to it later. There's 18 topics. So module 8, System IO custom build. Okay, kind of like a stand store kind of deal. So introduction to System IO, how to set up your free System IO account, how to optimize your System IO account, edit your squeeze, information, sales, order, and thank you pages, how to edit your course descriptions, how to get your personal invite link, getting a domain from Squarespace and connecting it to System.io, how to check your DNS settings, how to assign your domain to System.io funnel, connecting payment processors, how to set up your business PayPal account, how to set up your Stripe account and payment plans, how to link payment processors to System.io, adding in legal documents, how to test your funnel, SEO, link in bio with System.io, and becoming a System.io affiliate. That was a mouthful, I know, but System.io is kind of like a competitor to a Stand Store, or you can kind of use them sort of kind of together. It's up to you what you want to do, but certainly there's options. You don't just, they give you options, which I like, right? You can do option 1, 2, or 3 in how you want to go about. And this is all about not just your sales page on your link and that kind of stuff, but it's also how you're going to capture your email list, so you can have your clients all put together via, with an email platform. Because understand, if TikTok ever goes away, you don't lose all of your followers because you have them as email clients, or you have them as an email list. You just take that list to whatever new platform replaces TikTok, or if it's Instagram, you just take your business there. So you're not relying on the platform, but you're creating your own community and you're capturing that information. Anyways, lots of good stuff here. I know I'm talking a lot about it, but hey, you want to know what's in the course. That's why you're watching these videos. So stay tuned for part 10, because we're about a third of the way done.